Okay guys, once you got the carpet removed and the rear panel, you can now see the actual fuel pump driver module. What you're going to want to do next is unplug that, and now just install the jumper harness. Simple as that. Gotta love VMP's plug and play setup. Okay guys, same thing on the passenger side. Jumper harness. Simple as that. Okay guys, now we're going to install the Y cable, which basically feeds power to both of these drivers modules from the VMP booster. Simple plug and play, just like the other side was. Okay guys, hope you can see now we've got both jumper harnesses connected. They are both connected with the Y harness, and this is your plug that goes to your fuel pump booster module. Plug your main feed from your booster module to your jumper plug here. Next, the ground wire. Run your ground to the factory ground wire and you should be good to go. Okay guys, ground wire installed, job complete. Now we've just got to install the 30 amp fuse up front in the fuse box and we're good to go. I haven't quite yet figured out where I want to mount this thing, but at least we're all wired up and ready to go.